Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DBVT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Although I will say that from a presentation standpoint, this chart is very tricky to talk about. Maybe you already noticed it, because I made the comment, very nice price movement, but there is a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up around there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then from that point of view, I probably sound crazy saying good price movement today. But I am gearing towards, and I will be talking about more so a bigger picture type viewpoint. So, and from the bigger picture, I get it. Yeah, from the highs, there was this pretty nasty little pullback here. But from the grand scheme of things, the price does still have the opportunity to build an overall higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term overall uptrends are constructed. And like I said, I am going to be commenting from a bigger picture point of view. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but to kind of just help illustrate the idea here of the overall, trend still being plenty bullish, is let's say the price actually goes all the way down there to $9.50. Again, not saying this is what's happening, just for example's sake, an explanation's sake. So the price goes down there, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From a big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And you'd have lows, even lower than all those. But this, this is enough to illustrate the point. So if you envision each of those as stair steps, yeah, I get it. They're pretty bootleg. You get the idea, though. What do you have? Well, from the big picture, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's just going to build an overall healthy uptrend. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader and you bought there, you don't care about these stair steps, but that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.